Insulin is not synthesized in a single step. As I told you that first insulin is synthesized in the pro form, later it is converted into the mature insulin. However, the site where the insulin is being synthesized is the ribosome of the beta cells. So basically, the beta cell consists of, like other cell, various organelles in which there is a nucleus, there is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, there is a Golgi apparatus, and upon the rough endoplasmic reticulum, there is the presence of the ribosomes that are basically involved in the synthesis of the protein that is insulin. Now, this insulin is synthesized in the three main steps. First of all, there is the production of the preproinsulin. Now, this preproinsulin, as you can see, this is the structure of the preproinsulin that consists of the chain A, chain B, and chain C. And now, this is the additional part that we have not discussed before. This is a signal sequence. Now, this signal sequence is attached to any type of the protein that has to enter the rough endoplasmic reticulum or any structure of the cells. After synthesis of from the ribosome, this signal sequence allow this protein, this insulin, to enter the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, when this pre-proinsulin enter the rough endoplasmic reticulum, what happens that this signal sequence separate out from the protein structure, and the protein that is formed is known as the proinsulin. So this is the proinsulin. Now, inside the rough endoplasmic reticulum, what happens that the sulfide bridges are formed between the sulfide of both chain. Now, these sulfide bond basically make the chains more stable. This is also known as the proform of the insulin. Now, after that, what happens that the C chain separate out from the B chain and A chain. So this is the mature form of the insulin, and this maturation takes place in the granules of the Golgi apparatus. So basically, there are how many steps of the synthesis of insulin? There are three steps of synthesis of insulin. First one, the preproinsulin that is synthesized from the ribosome. Then there is the proinsulin that is present inside the lumen of the endoplasmic reticulum, where the signal sequence is separated and the bonds are formed. And in the third step, that is the formation of mature insulin, that is the C chain basically separate out from the A chain and the B chain, and the mature insulin is formed that is then secreted into the blood and perform its function. So these are the three steps.